Hello, welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you how to make top menu in Unreal Engine 5. Okay, so first what you want to do, you want to make a widget. That's my main menu widget. And I got also different pages, so it depends how many different things you got. So I just pre-made it now, it's simple. As you see, I just got text. That is settings, that is shop. Only my skill menu is here different because the file is from skill tree menu. I'm implementing it on this file. That's why it's here. And to recommend you to check it out, it's quite advanced skill tree. Okay, so main menu, you're creating this one. If you don't know how to create a widget, you just press widget and create it here. But it's not tutorial how to make widget, it's tutorial how to make system. So just to show you the bottoms, as you see, I got a border. The border is a bit transparent, and I got blur. So when you open it when you play game and you open it, you can see still your scene from the game. I got horizontal box, and then I got size boxes. So each bottom is inside this box. Then I got border, inventory border, and you can set the color here. So that is the color I'm setting for inventory border, and so that's gonna be first. So when you open it, for example, in this system, you're gonna open it. The first thing is gonna be inventory border. Yeah, it is gonna be inventory. So you want the bottom to be dark. That's why we set it as dark. It's like any color. You can have blue if you like. It's just different color than all the bottoms. Yeah. So also you change the settings for button. So change color for hover and press. So when you hover and press, it's got a bit different shade of color. Yeah, and there's a good text to set. Yeah, as you see here, I got completely. Yeah, I'm pressing wrong thing, to be honest. I'm showing you. That's brush color. As you see, here the border is very transparent, and I got color here. But on this border is dark and less transparent. Plus the bottom color, and it's all connecting. In my system, it's connecting a little bit with the bottom color as well. So border plus color make some different shade. Right, but anyway, to start, we're gonna get a switcher. I'm gonna put it where the canvas panel is. I'm gonna close this to make some space. I'm gonna name it tab switcher. And in tab switcher, you wanna add all this widget you got. So for every different system you got added. I'm gonna go shop. So also I'm doing different way because this not blueprint, that widget blueprint is my inventory. Yeah. So I'm gonna put all inventory logic in here. But you can also make on separate one, like this ones, and add it to the switcher. But I prefer this way. I found that some glitches before when I was setting the first page in the switcher. I decided the first page is in this blueprint where the switcher is. Now when you want to add it, I'm gonna make switcher invisible so we don't see this kind of stuff. Switcher, we need to set up switcher. So we're gonna set up switcher, yeah. So to set up switcher, we're gonna put anchor on the middle. So we make sure it's on the middle, and I'm just gonna put on 0. And I'm gonna put it on 0.5, 0.5. So as you see, it should be on the middle. Yeah. And the size you wanna set, size makes it max out. So I'm gonna set it 190/20 and 1080. It's like the screen size. So yeah, so that's how it's gonna be full. Okay, let's make it invisible. Let's add the skill tree menu. And I'm gonna add settings. Okay, so I got all this free because as I said, this page here. So make sure that all the bottoms are exposed. The border is exposed and the bottom is exposed. Okay, so first what we're gonna do, we're gonna set up the bottoms. So we're gonna set up the inventory bottom on a click. So what we wanted to do, we're gonna set border. Where is it? Inventory border. And then we're gonna do set brush color. And then just set the brush color as you set on your widget. So that's gonna be the original color. So basically the one that changed the color. So this one, the darker color, yeah. So once we press it, we want it to always be darker color. So that's where we know which page we're on. And then we're gonna get all the borders, rest of the borders, and we want to set it for different brush color. So we're gonna set it at neutral. Just basically everything else. So the basic color of everything else. That's where we want to set it up. And so for me, or it save it here for quick. Yeah, so that's how it's gonna work. So basically you connect it. So each time you press this button, this button is gonna change color and the rest is gonna reset. Why we add all of them here? Because you can be on any page, you don't know. This page could be dark color, this page could be dark color, and you wanna reset them all. And then next, what you wanna do, you want to get what we're getting switcher. You're gonna get switcher. You wanna set visibility, and we're gonna hide it. If you do another way that you add every single page in switcher, then you don't need to obviously hide it. So we make sure that on start is hidden. We don't really have to hide it, but in the way I'm doing it, yes, you have to hide it because the first page appearing. And then second thing, let's say I got this, so I'm gonna create some kind of another canvas, let's say, or where, and I'm gonna put side text here, yeah, and I'm gonna name it. I'm gonna name it inventory box. So all the content for inventory, yeah, it's gonna be here. Or I should set up the same. To be honest, I should set up same as the switcher. What have I done? One and then it's exactly same size. Can say 0.5, 0.5. Page 0, 0. And that's perfect. And then we got inventory box, and we make sure inventory box is as a variable. And what you want to do, you want inventory box to be set visibility and make sure it's visible. Yeah, and once we got this, what we're gonna do on all different buttons, the rest of the buttons we're gonna do, where is it, shop, I'm blind today. On click, and on click, yeah. And so what you wanna do, you wanna get the brush color. So you wanna get this brush color, copy it for everyone, copy for each of the buttons. So wherever you click, that button is always gonna change for this color. And you want to set the border of this. So I'm just gonna take from here, it'll be faster to look. Copy, so you got the shop border, you got abilities one, which is skill tree, and you got I make mistake. No, inventory is the shop settings. Oh, my bad. Oh, I just wanna what am I doing? Wait. Oh, settings border. Let's say I'm blind today. I don't know. I can't see stuff. Oh boy. So now we wanna do exactly same with the rest of the buttons. So what you can do, if I can make more distance, make it more organized. So we go shop button. So we connect them only, and this one. I do it a bit clumsy and not really organized. Obviously, make more distance, make more space. You can make a comment, whatever you like. Okay. And then also what we want to do, we're gonna set active widget. Where was it? Set active widget switcher. No, has it worked? Or maybe set active widget by index. Okay. And what you want to do with that, you want to just copy it on each, and you need to check. It's gonna go from 1, 2, and 3 ability. Yeah, 1, 2, and 3. So shop first, abilities, and settings. So you're gonna choose on shop. Did I say shop is first? Yeah. So shop is 0, abilities is 1 and 2. I would just switch it around if I was you. So it's on right order, but yeah, I'm gonna leave it as it is. So we got this. Then we wanna get rid of settings. We wanna add shop. And then we want to get we're gonna get last bit, do exactly same. What is the abilities? Yeah, so we wanna get setting. Yeah. Okay, and once that's how it's work, you wanna get all the switchers to set, and the last thing you want to do, you want to get that. You can just connect it to the one. Always gonna be same result. So show height, yeah. And this way it should work now. So one more thing, what we have to do, we have to go to our character blueprint, third person blueprint, third person character, and where do I have them? That's my system for inventory open. So what I need to change is we have to change this. So it's gonna be main menu, and we're gonna do. I think I need to. Okay, promote. There. Promote to variable, and the variable is gonna be main menu, and we wanna replace it here. Where is it? We're gonna replace it here, so it's gonna be main menu. So you want to choose the button that's open it. You get the button that open it. Then what you do, you get the main menu is visible. Check if it's visible. If it's visible, remove it from parent. Also put copy as copy pass. And if it's not visible, add to viewport, set mouse cursor for active, and set for UI automatically, and choose. What can I choose? Yeah, fine. That's how it's gonna work. Let's test it. Yeah. Oh, that's from the last. Sorry, that's from the last tutorial about stats. I didn't turn it off, but yeah, if you see, it's work. So you see, it's change the color, it's change the color, it's change the color. Yeah. Nicely. That's what you see. When I hover it, it's got different shade, and then when I press it, it's not got a different shade. That was the thing I was mentioning before to set it up. It looks cool. I got my inventory system, and my inventory system works here. I was afraid something may not work because this doesn't work properly. Not everything works properly on my inventory system now. I have to update a few things, but that's not tutorial for it. I will do it on my inventory system tutorial. There's like a few things you have to do. But one thing I think doesn't work, you cannot close it. Why you cannot close it? Because closing logic was in skill tree menu. So what was it? It was, where is it? To be honest, did I set this? I think I never had this logic. Hi. So what you have to do, it's very simple. What we have to do, put on function on key down. It needs to be done in the main menu, yeah? So what you want to do is get the key event, get key equal, check if it's equal. You're choosing your button, which is I. Where is it? I. And then you check branch. You connect this one and on true. So what we want to do on true, we want to remove from parent. So we're removing from parent. Oh, no. Remove from parent. Yeah, that's what we want to do. And we want to get player on controller. And from that, we want to get show mouse cursor set, make sure it's untick that. And we want to get set input mode to game only. And we want to say it's handled. And this way, if you see I'm open, I can not close. Okay, so what I forgot to do, you have to go to main menu. You have to press here and make sure you set it as focusable. And as you see, it works. And you can choose any page. If you turn on, it's gonna open on shop, on skill tree, or it's open again, and that's how it's work. But another thing I decide to do, I decide to put this opening function in component. I make component called menu. You can name it whatever you want. You can name it main menu, or you don't have to do it. I just decide it's good for future control. So yeah, so just create component You just press here, blueprint component, you create component. What I did, I add new mapping context. I create a new one. You can find it usually in inputs. I created a new one. I didn't change anything. I just added new action. Where is it? Open menu and the eye. So now what you have to do, so we're not gonna use that. I'm not gonna use that. You just need to add component here. And as you see, it's all work. So yes, as always, if you got any suggestion regarding what could we do better, or if you got questions, if you didn't get anything or something as well, let me know in comments. Like video if you enjoy it, and subscribe if you don't wanna miss any other video. And I see you in next time.